Are you planning to take the Master Plumbing Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to the Master Plumbing Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully for the practical problems. Without further ado, let's start.
Question number 1. How can size of gutter be computed? Letter A, depending on the roof area. Letter B, depending on the intensity of rainfall. Letter C, depending on the slope of the gutter. Letter D, all of these. The answer is letter D, all of these. Question number 2. A float valve is a device used in blank. Letter A, water elevated tank. Letter B, bladder tank. Letter C, pressure tank. Letter D, cistern tank. The answer is letter D, cistern tank. Question number 3. Ways to reduce or avoid corrosion in pipe. Letter A, pipe sleeves. Letter B, coating. Letter C, concrete cover. Letter D, sleeve protection. The answer is letter B, coating. Question number 4. Most efficient but expensive type of water closet. Letter A, siphon vortex. Letter B, siphon jet. Letter C, washdown. Letter D, reverse trap. The answer is letter A, siphon vortex. Question number 5. PPR pipes are joined by blank. Letter A, solvent cement. Letter B, fusion welding. Letter C, soldering flux. Letter D, dielectric union. The answer is letter B, fusion welding. Question number 6. What is the ideal time to clean a septic tank? Letter A, when the sludge occupies 1/2 of the volume. Letter B, when the sludge occupies 1/3 of the volume. Letter C, when the sludge occupies 3/4 of the volume. Letter D, when the sludge occupies 1/4 of the volume. The answer is letter B, when the sludge occupies 1/3 of the volume. Question number 7. What paint is used in metal water tank to resist corrosion? Letter A, enamel paint. Letter B, red oxide paint. Letter C, epoxy paint. Letter D, latex paint. The answer is letter B, red oxide paint. Question number 8. What NFPA standard is for installation of standpipe and hose systems? Letter A, NFPA 13. Letter B, NFPA 14. Letter C, NFPA 20. Letter D, NFPA 22. The answer is letter B, NFPA 14. Question number 9. What is the purpose of sacrificial anode on a hot water storage tank? Letter A, to prevent corrosion. Letter B, to prevent overheating. Letter C, to keep the heat. Letter D, to sustain pressure. The answer is letter A, to prevent corrosion. Question number 10. A scaled view, created by passing an imaginary cutting plane perpendicularly through a portion of a building. Letter A, section drawing. Letter B, plot plan. Letter C, exterior elevation. Letter D, detailed drawing. The answer is Letter A, section drawing. Question number 11. The following are the data required whenever a registered master plumber signs the blueprint of the building plan, except blank. Letter A, PRC license number. Letter B, PTR place of issue. Letter C, PTR expiration. Letter D, taxpayer identification number. The answer is letter C, PTR expiration. Question number 12. Economical way to remove mineral salt deposits in shower head. Letter A, replace filter. Letter B, replace shower head. Letter C, prick shower holes with pin. Letter D, replace hot and cold water supply pipe. The answer is letter C, prick shower holes with pin. Question number 13. A flat ring made of rubber or plastic used as gasket on washerless types of faucets. Letter A, O-ring. Letter B, seat. Letter C, washer. Letter D, disc. The answer is letter A, O-ring. Question number 14. Water closet is also known as blank. Letter A, bidet. Letter B, toilet. Letter C, lavatory. Letter D, tub. The answer is letter B, toilet. Question number 15. What is the size of the yoke or bypass vent for a high-rise building? Letter A, 1.5 times of the main vent. Letter B, 2 times of the main vent. Letter C, 1/2 times of the main vent. Letter D, equal to the main vent. The answer is letter D, equal to the main vent. Question number 16. Broad and wide flared with a flat tip, this type of shovel is terrible at digging, but fantastic at moving loose materials. Letter A, trenching shovel. Letter B, scoop shovel. Letter C, round point shovel. Letter D, square point shovel. The answer is letter B, scoop shovel. Question number 17. HWT is common abbreviation for blank. Letter A, hot water treatment. Letter B, hot water tank. Letter C, heating water tank. Letter D, heating water treatment. The answer is letter B, hot water tank. Question number 18. The standard designation for gas service medical air under medical gas piping. Letter A, yellow color in black text. Letter B, gray color in black text. Letter C, brown color in white text. Letter D, blue color in white text. The answer is letter A, yellow color in black text. Question number 19. In the trade of piping, the term tapping is used to describe blank. Letter A, cutting of internal threads. Letter B, cutting of external threads. Letter C, scraping grease. Letter D, connecting to main pipe. The answer is letter A, cutting of internal threads. Question number 20. Which type of support may be used on vertical pipes and stacks? Letter A, bracket. Letter B, trapeze. Letter C, metal strap. Letter D, clevis. The answer is letter C, metal strap. Question number 21. In this type of wrench in which flat surface is ideal for occasional use as a hammer. Fully floating forged hook jaw and instant grip release. Letter A, end pipe wrench. Letter B, offset pipe wrench. Letter C, wrap wrench. Letter D, Stilson wrench. The answer is letter C, wrap wrench. Question number 22. A one-piece wrench with an enclosed opening that grips the faces of the bolt and nut. The recess is generally a 6-point or 12-point opening with nuts and bolts heads with a hexagonal shape. Letter A, Stilson wrench. Letter B, crescent wrench. Letter C, ring spanner. Letter D, hex jaw wrench. The answer is letter C, ring spanner. Question number 23. Used to remove square and octagonal shaped thread faucets. Letter A, basket strainer wrench. Letter B, packing nut socket wrench. Letter C, pipe extractor. Letter D, valve seat tool. The answer is letter D, valve seat tool. Question number 24. A blank shall be installed for special conditions. Letter A, bell trap. Letter B, crown vented trap. Letter C, full S trap. Letter D, drum trap. The answer is letter D, drum trap. Question number 25. All trenches deeper than the footing of any building or structure and paralleling the same shall be at least blank. Letter A, 60 degrees therefrom. Letter B, 12 feet therefrom. Letter C, 4 feet therefrom. Letter D, 45 degrees therefrom. The answer is letter D, 45 degrees therefrom. That's all for this set. Comment on your score below. Thank you and good luck.